Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the gear. Charge the case and earbuds, and open your phone's Bluetooth settings so you are ready to accept a new device. Once that's done, keep both buds seated in the case. This ensures they enter the correct mode together rather than pairing only one side. Press and hold the case's Bluetooth button for about 3-5 seconds to force the earbuds into pairing mode. This puts them into discoverable state, which is essential because automatic pairing won't start until the case triggers it. Once the case has triggered pairing, look in your phone's Bluetooth list for the Bose Quietcomfort entry. Names vary slightly, so choose the one that matches. Tap that name, you'll hear a confirmation chime from the earbuds, which confirms audio and control channels are negotiated. Make sure to accept any pairing prompts or permission requests on your phone so the device can use call and media audio. If you plan to use the Bose app, open it after this step to finish device setup and adjust ANC or touch controls. To finalize, confirm audio plays and controls respond, then close the case and reopen to ensure the buds reconnect reliably. Use the Bose app to install firmware updates and customize settings because updates often resolve connection quirks. If something goes wrong, the simplest troubleshooting is: forget the device on your phone, reboot the phone, and repeat the case button pairing sequence. This clears stale profiles and forces a fresh Bluetooth negotiation. That single reset resolves the majority of pairing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.